So around spring we prune late winter flowering plants. A general rule of thumb is to prune something when it finishes flowering. There's a lot of pruning that happens in winter, but there are some plants that you need to hold off until spring.
By pruning a plant, you are effectively damaging it and stimulating it to regenerate. So you can go soft or you can go hard, depending on what you're aiming to achieve.
Definitely would recommend hedging lightly but frequently, just to get them looking really bushy. But if you've got an overgrown hedge, spring's a good time to go really hard because you'll get all that new growth.
With pruning, I'd recommend always just being mindful of the weather. If you're going to do hard pruning in spring, and if it's too early, then you can risk getting frost damage onto the plants and burning off all of your new growth. As the season's warming up as well, if you're taking the plant back really hard, you risk doing damage and getting sunburn on the plants. We use the hedge trimmers here with the articulated head. We find that you can hold the machine quite close to your chest and then articulate the head to a 90-degree angle, and then you can just walk along the face of the hedge